Alright, so in this video we're going to take a look at the basic delete statement. I'm going to give you the similar admonitions to what I said in the update statement at the very end. So let's start with just the syntax itself. I'm going to start with the delete keyword, and then I'm going to go straight to the from keyword, and after the from always comes the table name. Okay, so delete from customers. Alright, if I stop right here, I'm deleting every single row from the customer table. In some cases, you might want that if you're just in development mode and you're just trying to get rid of the data so you can recreate it, that's fine. But if you're not wanting to do that, you're in for a world of hurt. That's why you have to write the where clause immediately, where customer ID equals 102. We can use any where clause. We'll talk more about where clauses in a little bit. All right, so just to show you that there's nothing up my sleeve, I'm going to go ahead and select this line and then execute it to show that we indeed have one row of data. Now we're going to delete that row of data. One row has been affected, so when we run our query one more time, you can see there's no rows returned. 0 rows affected. Okay, so deletes are dangerous. Never forget the where clause. If you forget it, you're deleting every row out of the table that you're working with. So all the advice that I gave you in the previous video about being careful and how to actually work against a live database, it all applies here. I won't repeat it. What I also could recommend, that if you really put some forethought into that, you might need to work with live data in the future. What you might want to do is add an extra column to your tables that you know you're going to be working with. Make it a bit flag, and you can make it the deleted flag. And so whenever you're doing selects, don't select those columns that have a deleted set to 1 or true. Instead, only select those rows of data that have deleted set to false. It has not been deleted yet. Then at some future point in time, you can come back and clean up and delete all the rows that have the deleted flag set to true. Just a little bit of a technique for managing data. It's not super important. Some people might even advise against it, but that is an effective technique that I've learned in the past. Okay, so that's it for the delete statement. Now let's continue to build on our knowledge of the where clause, because I think that's really where we're heading to get the most value out of working with T SQL. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.